So okay, stop touching your face. So I'm in Houston, and I just got done with my laser hair removal appointment. It was just a consultation. I really wanted it done today, but she said, like, since I have a tan, because I have been tanning, like, because I've been sunbathing, she's like, since you have a tan, it's better we start a few weeks from now. And I was like, all right. And then she was like, it's actually better we start in the fall once your tan is all the way gone. And I was like, you know what, if I'm gonna pay for this, and if I just want this to be effective, I might as well get it done the first time. Or, like, you know, make it as effective as possible. Because, you know, a lot of it is the preparation. But anyways, so I'm about to get lunch at this Thai Orchid restaurant in Houston. I put my camera down because the man's coming. Oh my god. Sorry guys, I have social anxiety. No, I don't. But, like, seriously though. But I'm gonna do a mukbang, so stay tuned. That's how the restaurant looks. So if you're in Houston, this is a good vegetarian place to eat at. So I just ordered from the restaurant, and it looks very, very old-fashioned Vietnamese. Vietnamese. It looks very old-fashioned traditional Asian restaurant with the red tablecloths and the dragons and the China sets. Very, very, it's giving me very, very Asian. Well, yeah, very, very Asian vibes. Because, like, a lot of these restaurants now in Houston, like the more modern ones, they don't really make it. They make it very modern looking. They make it really look. They make it look very, like, how do I say this and be politically correct? Contemporary. Oh my god, hopefully I don't sound so blonde. But yeah, they look very modern and sleek. But so I feel like this is gonna be a good restaurant. So I'm kind of hungry because I really didn't have like a big breakfast. I had a protein shake with pea protein and a banana and some guacamole and chips. So now I'm having these Kind bars, and it's made with real food. Has real almonds in it. It's like a real food bar. I like almonds, granola, peanuts. So bomb. I just can't wait for the food because I'm not gonna enjoy it. I'm not gonna enjoy the food as much. I'm gonna be wolfing it down. Okay, the thing about this bar though, like, it's really chewy. So I'm so blonde because from the looks of how that restaurant looks in the area that it was in, I should have known I'm kind of in a pretty sketchy area of Houston, but whatever. Whatever. Like, I'll be forgetting. Like, whatever. Anyway, so I got tofu fried rice. Look at that. I can't put it too close because it's gonna fall over. And then I got my Drunken noodles. Look at all that chili pepper. Dude, I'm literally so excited right now. Like, they look so good. I'm gonna try the Drunken noodles first, because when I saw Drunken noodles on it, I was like, let me get drunk on these noodles. You guys know I was gonna say that. So that's tofu, because I'm trying not to eat meat. And a bunch of chili peppers, and some bell peppers, basil, and some broccoli. I love Thai food. And I don't eat it as much. They always put basil in their food. I noticed that. I feel like really many people put green onions in all their food, like scallions. Thai people put basil. So I searched this up on Google. I searched up like vegetarian, vegan restaurants, and this place popped up. This is not vegan, this is vegetarian, because it has eggs and it has it has eggs, so it's not vegan. Oh my god, these noodles are bomb. I have not had chicken noodles in forever. I think I've only ever had them one time. This is a tofu fried rice. It's still hot. It's hot. Some people have the Thai chili peppers up in their food. I love it. Just like that. I put chili flakes on everything. It's hot. It's too hot. So I'm in Houston because I had to go to a laser hair removal appointment because I kept getting ingrown hairs on my freaking inner thighs and my thighs, and I'm just kind of over it. And I tried everything, so I like that this tofu has a little bit like fermented taste to it, because I know it's gonna digest easier. Oh my god, so hot. I've been eating so much tofu lately. I'm so sick of tofu. But like, so I took a break from tofu for like these past few days. Now I can stomach it again. Because like, I noticed like when I'm not eating like a protein source, since I'm not eating meat, I be hungry quick. And who wants to just eat all day? Like, sounds fun, but it's annoying because I have other things to do besides be a human trash can for food. Okay, so I'm in Houston again, and I feel like because I don't know if I'm gonna upload the other video before this, but I was just talking about how, I don't know, this city really like bringing back memories back to when I was such a low vibration. I got such a low state. But it's just so good. I have to go have dinner. Oh my god, don't judge me, but I have to go get dinner with my friends. Well, friend. On 5, I think it's like 1:30 now. But that's not what I was talking about. Like, I'm just thinking like, man, I'm back in Houston. I can call up this guy, I can call up that guy. Like, be back to my like more promiscuous days. I don't know why, like, I guess I always like being around like masculine energy. I don't know, but right now I just like want to be my own energy. That's why I'm filming this mukbang, so it takes my mind off of them, because I really don't want to like go back to that. Y'all, I'm so full. I can never be a mukbanger, like, because I get full way too fast. I can eat though, but it takes me longer. But doing mukbangs is not as easy as everyone thinks they are. I've filmed mukbangs and not post them because I'm like, I'm my worst enemy. I'm like, oh my god, no, I'm not posting this. I don't know. Yo, I'm full. Like, tofu be filling me up. So full. Oh my god, I've been so ditzy right now because I wanted something to drink. I have water right now, but there's literally a gas station to my left, like literally right to my left. I just pulled in this parking lot, like, because I feel like this is a pretty discreet place. It's right in front of a pho restaurant, and I think I've ate at this restaurant before though. It's pretty good. And this barber shop. Bro, I'm about to have the itis. I can feel it. But as I was saying, like, I don't want to go back to the old me. Like, I kind of do want to hang out with guys right now. Because I literally have not hung out with, like, a guy. Like, I hang out with guys, like, that are friends of my friends. But not like guys, like, one-on-one. I like being around girls, too. Like, I'm around girls more because I understand girls. And, you know, girls are girls. Like, I'm a girl, so it's relatable. But, like, I also really like hang out with guys too. Like, sometimes I like to be around, like, masculine energy. Like, I don't know, sometimes it's just nice to, like, there's both for a reason, okay? I'm so full, but I really do want to hang out with someone, like a guy. But I say that now, but then I'm in that situation, I'm like, oh, why'd I do this? Why'd I do this? Yo, I'm so full. I cannot eat anymore. I cannot eat anymore. I know for a fact that I'm getting so big again. Alright. I cannot do a mukbang because I had a whole, like, video I was gonna film. I was gonna talk and eat, but I'm getting so full already. But whatever. Oh my god. This guy just got his hair cut and he thinks he's so fresh right now. Oh my god. He looks so happy. His hair looks good too. I'm not mad. Get it, boo. And you. Oh my god, I'm so cringy. Okay. I'm gonna split up what I wanted to do in this video and talk about to, like, another video on the next video, and this is gonna be the mukbang. So if you guys enjoyed this video, me eating, distracting myself from trying to, like, go to some dude's house. Please comment, like, and subscribe. I'm so full. Thanks for watching the video, guys. I'm so awkward. I'm so sorry. I gotta go.